It is a UTM machine or universal testing machine. Okay, so we call it is a universal testing machine because in the same machine we can perform the number of tests. We can perform the tension test, we can perform the compression test, we can perform the bending test or the shear test by attaching the additional attachment. Currently we are performing the tension test on this machine. Okay, so for the tension test what we have to do, we clamp the specimen between these two jaws. Okay, so out of these two jaws, one jaw is fixed and the one jaw is the movable one, and with the help of these valves and with the help of these hydraulic valves we are applying the load on these specimen, and we continues to apply the load on this specimen till it get fractured. And during the operation what we will measure? We will measure the two important parameter. One is the what amount of load we are applying and the corresponding what is the elongation. So with the help of since it is a computerized machine, so all the data are captured in this data acquisition system. So with the help of this data acquisition system we can plot the different curve, such like the curve between the load and the deformation. Similarly we can find out the another curve between the stress and the strain, and we can find out this with the help of the stress and strain curve. We can find out the different properties just like the ultimate tensile strength, yield strength, Young's modulus. Okay, so at this time this mild steel specimen is clamped between the two jaws and we are continuously applying the load, and you may see there is an elongation in the test specimen. So you may see as we are applying the load, the gauge length of this marked specimen is elongated, or there is a visible elongation is there, and we will keep applying the load continuously till this fracture take place. As it is a ductile material or mild steel specimen, so there will be a cup and cone type fracture. And once the fracture takes place, we will determine what is the percentage elongation and what is the percentage reduction in area. And with the help of these two parameters, we may find out the ductility. That is a very important property of the material. We may also find out what will be the how much this material is ductile. So as you see that there is a calculation is going on this back end, and directly you are getting the stress versus strain curve.